GZAIR stands at the forefront of gas detection technology, recognized as a premier manufacturer and supplier of both gas testing equipment and laboratory devices, including centrifuges and mixers. With over a decade of expertise, we have crafted high-quality gas detector products that businesses worldwide have trusted for their precision and reliability. Our commitment to excellence in expertise, product quality, and customer service has fostered long-standing relationships with engineers, government bodies, and entrepreneurs across diverse industries. Together, we are dedicated to enhancing environmental conditions and ensuring access to fresh air through meticulous air quality monitoring and control. GZAIR's professional team has cultivated a collaborative environment that excels in research, development, and manufacturing. This synergy has enabled us to introduce a spectrum of advanced air quality monitors and detectors, such as the Smart Air Quality Meter, Infrared NIR detector, and many others, designed to meet the comprehensive needs of air quality management. We extend our capabilities to offer OEM/ODM customization services, ensuring that our products are accessible with low minimum order quantities and high cost effectiveness. Our goal is to provide tailored solutions that align with the unique requirements of our clients. For inquiries about our extensive product range and the latest offers, please reach out to us via the email provided on our homepage. We assure a prompt response within 24 hours, ready to engage with business owners seeking innovative and reliable air quality monitoring and laboratory equipment.